Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. Well, we've had some rain showers moving through the area this morning, and we are going to continue to see those showers into the mid and late afternoon hours today. We're also going to see temperatures really start to fall over the course of the next few hours as well. We started out the morning with temperatures in the low 60s here at Wallops, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures falling. As you can see here on the 9 o'clock observations, we were down to 55 degrees, and we'll see those temperatures into the 40s by the time we get to the noontime hour today. Yesterday across the region, a much warmer day throughout the region. As you can see, upper 60s to low 70s, even some upper 70s for daily high temperatures yesterday throughout the region, getting up to 77 degrees in Norfolk, 74 at Newport News. A little cooler right along the Ocean City, coming in with a daily high temperature of 58 degrees as they were socked in with the fog yesterday throughout the day and didn't get the sunshine that some of the other locations did throughout the region. Overnight last night, temperatures falling into the 40s and 60s, mid 60s at the Tidewater region, 65 degrees, and pretty warm conditions elsewhere in the Tidewater region, Newport News and the Langley Air Force Base, both coming in with overnight low temperatures of 64. Unfortunately, we had some temperature problems with our ASOL, so missing values on the max and min temperatures for Wallops. And as of the last 24 hours, you can see precipitation totals wide ranging throughout the area. Just a quarter of an inch here at Wallops over the last 24 hours. That was through 7 o'clock this morning. We've picked up some more rain since then, but some heavier amounts showing up off to our north and west. Pax River coming in with 1.2 inches, Dover coming in with just a little over an inch of precipitation. Taking a look at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, showing the freezing level at 10,700 feet, and our winds generally out of the southwest direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a southwesterly wind at 80 knots. So taking a look at our radar this morning, you can see those showers continuing to move through the area. We're going to see about 3 or 4 more hours of precipitation, and then we'll start to see everything become a little bit more scattered and finally come to an end as we get into the late afternoon today. But still seeing some of those light to moderate showers at times moving through the region as we go through the morning and afternoon hours before things begin to clear out later this evening. Taking a look at our current surface analysis as of 7 a.m. this morning, that frontal boundary right overhead of the Delmarva Peninsula, and we have seen that frontal boundary move south of the region over the course of the last couple of hours. As a result, seeing that colder air start to move into the region with those north to northwesterly breezes bringing in the cooler temperatures from the north. We're going to continue to see that front move farther to the south and east as we go through the day today, and we'll eventually see some clearing as we go into the evening hours tonight. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, you can see by this evening that frontal boundary will be well to our south with just a few clouds left over in its wake, but we should see all the precipitation out of the region by later this evening. As we go into the overnight hours, that's when we'll start to see our clearing occur, and we'll also see some very chilly temperatures for this evening as well, with overnight low temperatures likely dropping into the upper 20s throughout the region. 29 degrees is what we expect here at Wallops. With some breezy conditions continuing overnight tonight, it will be a pretty blustery evening for us. As we go into the morning tomorrow, high pressure ridging just off to our north. We'll see mostly clear skies to start the day, and then a few more clouds moving in as we go into the afternoon and into the evening hours of Tuesday, and could even see a few sprinkles out there during the overnight hours of Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Wednesday during the day, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Should be free of any kind of precipitation, just that slight chance of some sprinkles during the overnight hours and into the early morning hours of Wednesday. But overall, a dry day expected for us on Wednesday. And then as we look at the next 24 hours, you can see cool temperatures expected overnight tonight. After that rain activity gets through the area, we'll likely see everything clearing out by about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then see mostly cloudy skies becoming partly cloudy during the evening hours, with those temperatures falling throughout the day and into the evening hours. Again, looking at an overnight low tonight of 29 degrees. Our winds will continue out of a north to northwesterly direction throughout the day today, gusting to about 20 knots at times through the morning and afternoon hours. Could see a brief die down of our winds during the evening hours, but I think they'll pick back up and become breezy once again during the overnight hours tonight after midnight, continuing to see those winds out of the north-northeast at 8 to 13 knots. Looking at our terminal forecast for today, we'll see our ceilings as low as 800 feet at times during the morning with those showers occurring, but overall we'll see ceilings above 1,000 feet as we go into the afternoon today, looking at ceilings possibly dropping to about 1,500 feet after 12 p.m. with any kind of shower activity, and then we'll see the ceilings really start to rise as we reach the 4 o'clock hour and that rain shower activity moves off the coast. We'll see clearing as we go into the evening hours tonight. DFR conditions expected during the evening and morning hours of Tuesday. Looking ahead to the next couple of days, on Tuesday, expecting partly cloudy skies with the mostly cloudy conditions during the afternoon. It will be a cool day with a high of 42. For Tuesday night, expect mostly cloudy skies with just a slight chance of a few sprinkles during the overnight hours. Nothing significant as far as rain goes tonight with a low temperature of 34. And for Wednesday, mostly cloudy and mild with a daytime high of 53 degrees. For the next 7 days, expecting a brief lull in the precip as we go through the midweek period, but we will see some cooler temperatures beginning this afternoon and during the day on Tuesday with only a high of 42 degrees. We'll see a rebound in those temperatures expected for Wednesday, getting up to around 53 degrees, and then even warmer as we go to the end of the week. As our next system approaches, we'll see some southwesterly flow develop and see those high temperatures pushing into the mid-60s once again for Thursday and Friday. Unfortunately, it will be accompanied by some clouds and some precipitation. It looks like a better chance of rain on Friday with just some rain in the early part of the day on Thursday, but rain likely on Friday with a high temperature of 66. And then behind that frontal system, we'll see another cool down with temperatures falling to 30 degrees by Saturday morning, and then a cool weekend in store for us. But it does look like it will be dry for the most part with some sunshine as well. Max temperatures right around 41 degrees for Saturday and 47 degrees for Sunday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow with our 8:15 and our 10 a.m. weather briefings. Have a nice day.